The first thing I'm doing, of course, is booting up the PS3 into the XG interface. Which I have to say I'm quite fond of. And then, of course, you go into System Settings, and I've already installed the bootloader, which is under Default System. I choose Other OS, and now when I reboot, that should boot it into my other OS, which is, of course, Fedora Core 5. Okay, and now, of course, I am rebooting into Linux. Here is Tux, our favorite little penguin, sitting here, babysitting while it compiles the kernel. And of course it's starting all the devices right now, loading all of its drivers. And I'm going to log in as root, put in my password, and then just use the command startx to start up the graphical user interface. And there it is, the Fedora GUI. And it's a full install of Fedora. As you can see, it's got all the edutainment software, games such as Blackjack, Mahjong, accessories, graphics software, internet utilities, full office software, programming, sound and video options, and there's the system tools for you right there. And then, of course, you have your local places and system preferences that you can tweak right there, along with the administrative tools. And we got the links right there for web browser, email software, the word processor, presentation suite, and spreadsheet software. Of course, this is the typical GNOME interface. You'd be familiar with it if you use Ubuntu. There's your clicking button to change between the 4 different desktops. Of course, trash can. Go to my computer and you see the CD, DVD, ROM drive, the Sony's compact flash, memory stick, and SD readers, the hard drive, and the network. And then basically I'll just log back out. Type in reboot. It normally will reboot it just straight back into Linux, except there's one little thing that you have to do to keep it from going back into Linux here. Alright, and then when you reboot, just hold your finger down on the power button for 5 seconds straight, and it should reboot you right back into Sony's XGE interface. Enjoy!